I enjoy listening to music while I work, but what I don't like is not being able to hear what's going on around me. So I started researching open-ear headphones, and I think I found something that I like and am going to continue using. These are open-ear wireless bone conduction headphones, and they have such a cool design. They come shipped to your door in a nice little box that has everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your manual, a pair of earplugs, a micro USB charging cable, and of course, your wireless headphones. The headphones have a row of buttons and a charge port on the side. You can press and hold to power on the headphones and connect to your device. Then, put it on your noggin. The bendable back makes it so it can easily adjust to any head type. These headphones leave your ear canals open and allow you to hear what's going on around you. This is because the headphones use bone conduction technology. Instead of projecting sound into your ear holes, these headphones vibrate and transfer the sound right into your head. The more firm of a connection, the more clear the sound will be, and honestly, they aren't too bad. I can hear my music clearly, yet still hear what's going on around me. It's nice when I'm looking for some background music, especially when I don't want it to be distracting. These headphones are so lightweight that I'll forget that I'm wearing it and just keep on working, letting the background music guide me through my day. Not only is it nice to know what's going on next to you, but I just love the sounds of nature, the running water, birds chirping, crunch of leaves beneath my feet. This in itself is so peaceful. Sometimes when I'm listening to music while working, I'll pause it, remove the headphones, and just enjoy the sounds. But now, I can have a symphony of everything. I can enjoy the sounds of nature while having some nice background music. And for me, as long as I have music, I have energy. It fuels me. And with these headphones, the music never has to end. So if my praises aren't enough, the headphones even come complete with a built-in microphone, so you can use this on calls. So when I found these, I couldn't have been happier. They're affordable, and they sound good enough. They get the job done, and they help me stay focused while I'm getting my job done. I don't have to worry about keeping them safe, as they're rugged, they're made to bend, and they're even Ip54 Waterproof. They have a long-lasting battery, and even give you media control right at your fingertips. These headphones are perfect for runners who need to be aware of their surroundings. They're great for sports, for work, and of course, relaxing. What more could you want? If you'd like to get a pair for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go listen to some more music and get some work done. Because I can now. See ya.